Good morning, class 9. Today we are going to do chapter number 5, simultaneous linear equations, exercise 5.1, question number 4.1. Okay, here again two equations are given and we have to solve by substitution. So substitution, first of all, in any of the equation we have to find the value of x or y. So we have got the value of x, that is equals to 2m, and this will be transposed, so it will become 2m minus y. Okay, now putting the value of this x in this equation 1, so what do we get? Mx minus ny is equals to m square plus n square. Now x is equals to 2m minus y, we'll put it over here. So now open the bracket, so it will be multiplied, so it will become 2m square minus my. So when we'll open the bracket, we have got 2m square minus my minus ny is equals to m square plus n square. Okay, now m square will be shifted to the other side, so it will become minus my minus ny is equals to m square plus n square minus 2m square. Now y we can take common, so we have taken it common, minus y we have taken, so what is left inside? M plus n. And here we know the formula of a square minus b square, that is a plus b and a minus b, so we have written n minus m and n plus m. N plus m and m plus n both are equal, so that's why when it will be shifted, it will be divided. Now these two will cut each other, so what are we left with? N minus m. Now minus will be shifted to the other side, so it will become m minus n will be your answer for the value of y. Now we have got the value of y, we'll put it in this equation and we get the value of x, that is 2m minus m plus n, that is m plus n. Now question number 4, here also we have question number 4 part 2, we have both the equations. So first of all, let's add both the equations because we can see y minus by b and y minus b both are equal over here, so we'll cut it. So this will be cut. After that we are left with 2x by a and x by a is equals to 2 plus 4. When we'll add them, we have got 3x by a is equals to 6, so x is equals to 6 multiply reverse of it, that is a by 3. Now 3 1 3 2 to 6, so 2a. Now putting the value of x, that is 2a, in the equation, any equation we can put, so we have put in the equation 1. So we have got 2 multiply 2a by a plus y by b. A will cut each other, so 2 2 is 4 plus y by b is equals to 2. Now 4 will be shifted to the other side. So it will become y is equals to minus 2 multiply b. So that is equals to minus 2b. Okay. Now question number 5, here again two equations are given. Okay, so we need to find the value of x by y over here. So first of all, by elimination method, let's find out the value of x and y. So y is equals to 35 minus 2x, we can get from the equation number 1. Now putting of the value of y in equation number 2, so 3x plus 4 multiply 35 minus 2x instead of y is equals to 65. Now open the bracket, so 35 multiply 4 is equals to 140 and 4 2s are 8, so minus 8x is equals to 65. Now 3x minus 8x is minus 5x, and this 140 will be shifted to the other side, so it will become 65 minus 140. So x is equals to 140 minus 65 is minus 75, and this minus 5 will be shifted, so it will become divided. Now 5 and 75 will cut each other, so we'll get 15. So we have got the value of x. Now for the value of y, we'll put in that equation. So it will be 35 minus 2 into 15, that is equals to 35 minus 30, that is 5. Okay, so now we have got the value of x and we have got the value of y. So we have to find x by y. So 15 by 5, that is equals to 3. Now in question number 6, we have got two equations and we have to find the value of p. Okay, so first of all, again solve the question by substitution method. Again we'll find the value of y from here, that is equals to 3x minus 5. After getting the value, we'll put the value of y in this equation, the second equation. So that is equals to 4x minus 3, 3x minus 5 is equals to minus 1. So we have got 3 is 9 minus 9x plus 15 is equals to minus 1. After 4x minus 9x is minus 5x, this 15 will be shifted to the other side, so it will become minus 15. So we have got the value of x is equals to 16 by 5. Now we'll put it in this equation and we get the value of y is equals to 3 multiplies 16 by 5 minus 5, that is equals to 48 minus 25 by 5, that is 23 by 5. Now we have got the value of x and we have got the value of y. Now we'll put these two values in y is equals to px minus 3. Okay, after putting the values, what do we get? So y is equals to 23 by 5, p is p, x is 16 by 5 and minus 3. Okay, so p is equals to 23 by 5. When we can write this as here, and minus 3 will be transposed, so it will become plus 3, and when this will be transposed, it will be reversed, so it will become 5 by 16. Okay, so after solving it out, we have got 23 plus 15, 5 3s are 15, so 23 plus 15 by 5, multiply 5 by 16, 5 will cut each other, so it will be 38 by 16. Now after cutting it, so we have got by the table of 2 19s are 38 and 2 8s are 16, so that's why our answer is 19 by 8 for the value of P. Okay class, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.